Everybody represented in their finest, including dancehall princess Shensia. Now before we get illuminated, here's the Intense 5. Diddy's drama went from 0 to 1,000 real quick. What is going on? And of course, there's talk that Cassie is cooperating with the FBI in their investigations. Diddy ain't no look good at all. Paris Hilton was on the rock, but not for vacay. She came to lend her support to an issue of child abuse that was reported at a special school for troubled teens in St. Bess. After Sands, fans of Governor and Idonia were left wondering if the two were no longer friends. But a video surfaced a few days after, and if you watch it all the way to the end, you'll realize everything was all a prank. Congrats to St. Jago for taking home the SCQ trophy. 2 lands roared that night, but one was a bit louder. Pick up the Calabar lands too. And finally holding the spot this week, because we are great and talented, Jamaica once again topped the medal tally at the Caribbean Games. The athletes took home a whopping 83 medals. Whoa, congrats guys, that's so awesome. That's it for us here tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Illuminate. Intense will be right back.